If you're looking to calculate the number of days between two dates in Microsoft Excel, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and how to use it. So follow me. So you can see I've got opening dates and I've got closing dates here, and what we want to do is in the column where it says days, we want to know how many days are in between these two dates. So this is where we want our answer, and what we're going to do is we're going to start our formula by typing the equals symbol, and then we're going to tap on the opening date. We are going to type the minus symbol, and we are going to tap on our closing date and hit enter, and you'll see that the days in between these two dates are 14. Another way of doing this is the method of using the days function. So again, we're going to start with the equals. We're going to type in days. We are going to open a bracket. We are going to choose our opening date. We are then going to use the semicolon, and we are going to type in or click on our closing date. We can then close the bracket, hit enter, and you will see you'll get the exact same answer. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you next time.